Well, there's a lot of focus on Royal Portrush and the Open this weekend, and if you're watching it, you will see those absolutely perfect greens. A lot of work goes in to making them look that good. Now, our own lawns may not be quite so perfect, especially if we have pets or children. You do get patches appearing that have been worn out or have died back because the animals have been going to the toilet in that area. So how do you deal with them? Well, firstly, this is probably not the best time of year to do it, but sometimes you just have to do jobs in the garden when you've got time. So there's a couple of ways you can deal with it. One is to actually remove that area of turf and bring a bit of turf in from elsewhere in the garden, maybe a bit of the lawn which is out of sight, and just patch it in. Keep that well watered and it should take quite quickly and you'll get a pretty instantaneous result. The other way to tackle it, and the way I'm going to do today, is to remove an area of soil. This bit has been contaminated, there was actually a spillage on it. I'm taking the soil away from there, bringing some good garden soil in, flattening it down to the level of the surrounding soil, then just roughing up the top of it slightly and spreading some seed. Now, you could just go for normal grass seed, but you can get a lot of mixes which have a special coating on the seed or which come with some material in the seed which retain moisture, and that will really help with germination, especially at this time of year. And it is important to keep it well watered and also keep children and pets off the area if that is possible. So it may not leave you with a lawn on which you could play the Open, but it will look a whole lot better.